2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, clock, CD player, Bedliner, side airbag, tachometer, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, power outlets, vanity mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.